What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we're going to go over a pump and dump that I got to see and watch live. Check it out. Alright guys, before we jump into this, do me one quick favor. I know you watch the videos, I watch the analytics. Subscribe to the channel, helps me out, lets me know that you're going to stick with me here, and I'll go ahead and continue popping out all these videos and all this content on a continuous basis. Smash that like button as well. Let's jump into this. IMRN was the pump and dump of the day. Okay, this is horrible. Horrible, like just disgusting behavior. I mean, you gotta be scum to do something like this. This stock had news this morning, but as you can see in pre-market, this is pre-market, it had zero action, zero volume. There was nothing going on. These are 5-minute candles. It opened up, gapped down on this open, then it broke over the high of this candle and pushed. This is a 2 million in float stock. It doesn't take a whole lot to, move it around. So it halted, gapped up, pushed, halted, gapped up, pushed, halted again, pushed up, and then retraced. Gap, halted, gapped down, pushed down, halted, gapped down, and we've retraced basically the entire move. Okay, this is the definition. This is the picture perfect stock where you see what a pump and dump looks like. If you ever wondered, oh, what does a pump and dump look like on a chart? There it is. Just look there. It's like, wait, right there. Look right there. That right there, my friends, is, there we go, a pump and dump. That's a pump and dump, okay? So this is some chat room somewhere. Some people, actually, I tweeted about this. I tweeted this screenshot. I asked who's responsible for this pump and dump, and some people posted the chat room they believed to be at the time the one who started this pump and dump. It's in my Twitter. You can check out the Twitter. It's in my link in the description below. Just click there and you can go see what people thought. Okay, so this is what happened. I mean, what happened here is very simple. I've been in chat rooms for a while now, and I know how they work, and I've been in low float chat rooms, and I know exactly how they work. And the way they work is they put this on their morning watch list. They said it had news, which it did. They saw it had a low float. So when it opened up and this candle held some mysterious support, they went ahead and put on an alert, more than likely to buy over this candle, like the break of this candle, as if this was a breakout. There's no freaking volume there. Okay, so they put on an alert, and their entire chat room, more than likely, because it's cheap enough to stock that most people could buy at least a few hundred shares to a couple thousand, bought into it, pushed it. At this point, shorts got in, they got squeezed out. Chat rooms started to notice it because it started to hit higher day momentum scanners. That's how I saw it. I saw it on my higher day momentum scanner. If you need those scanners, description below, 15% off. And they just, more chasers jumped on in, other chat rooms jumped on in and pushed it all the way up here. Then what happened? Whoever made this alert here probably got out either in this candle or somewhere in this candle as it started to retrace. As the stock said, okay, I'm done, and it started to retrace. He started to get out, put out an alert saying he got out. His chat room started to sell off, and we had the same exact action. Halts on the way up, gap ups on the way up, halts on the way down with gap downs on the way down. Because everybody was panic selling, getting out of there. Market orders on the way up, market orders on the way down, just banging out of this thing because it was like, all right, guys, we're going off on the boat, boom. And then the boat catches fire and everybody abandons ship. That's exactly what this was, exactly what it looks like. And it's just downright disgusting. It is because, sure, a bunch of subscribers made money here, but I bet you a ton of subscribers and a ton of other people lost money down here. And this is not just one chat room. This is multiples. This is multiple chat rooms because it's not just going to be one chat room. One chat room started it off. But once it started hitting scanners, more individual traders got in and more chat rooms got in, continued pushing this even higher. Okay, I'm not going to tell you here you can't make money on this. Of course you can. There's a ton of money that could have been made here. All right, if you're experienced enough and you know what you're doing. If you're not, there's no pattern here. Okay, here you're just trading the price action on the halts maybe using the halt area as the support and your stop just under it. And if you got to be quick as crap, okay? I've done it before. I've seen them happen. So I've taken those trades, used the halt price as my support. It held support, got in, put my stop underneath that halt price and took profit as we squeezed higher, okay? But it's blink of an eye, stupid quick, all right? So you really got to know what you're doing. I took no trades in this here, and that was it. You know, I felt like really bad seeing this because I remember when I started trading back in 2017, I think it was, and I was in like paper trading accounts. I remember seeing this over and over and over again, and it just felt bad to see. I've seen some of my friends lose money on these things. Like friends, like trading friends, buddies of mine. You know, we talk daily about stocks. I saw them lose money on these. I never lost money on. I don't think I ever lost money period on them. But if I did, it was very small because I never took big size. And I did make money on one once. 500 shares over $2 a share on the upside. So I made over $1,000 on it. ABIO, I think it was the stock way back when. It wasn't in November when we were having like a lot of these every single day. And just horrible. I mean, even the volume is telling you right here what happened to the subscribers if you use your imagination. This is really bad, really bad. Do you know who, do you know what chat room started this off? If you do know, drop it in the comment section below. I hope you stayed safe from this. If you did, let us know. And remember to subscribe, smash that like button, and I will catch you on the next one.